What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. As you can see by the title, I am doing jerk shrimp sandwich. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this quick and easy recipe. I have a lemon here and I'm just gonna squeeze it on the shrimp. After which I'll be seasoning up the shrimp. I'll be doing the shrimp in the air fryer. Quick and easy jerk shrimp. So here is the seasoning that I'll be using. I have the jerk sauce right here, all-purpose seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, wet and dry jerk seasoning, and garlic powder. So here I'm putting in the dry jerk seasoning and the Old Bay seasoning. And then I'm putting on some black pepper too. And just mixing this all up. So now I'm adding the wet jerk seasoning. Adding some garlic powder. Some pimento and some pepper. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the basket of the air fryer, and then I'm gonna add the shrimp in. I have the air fryer preheated. So I'm just gonna put the shrimp in now. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Thank you so much for stopping by. So here I'm adding some lemon to the shrimp, and I'm just gonna put it in the air fryer. And in a few minutes, we'll have some jerk shrimp ready. So now I'm just flipping the shrimp. And then I'm just going to put it back for about a minute and a half or two. And soon we'll be having some jerk shrimp. I already have my jerk sauce prepared for the shrimp. You can check out any one of my jerk chicken recipe and you'll see how I prepare my jerk sauce for the jerk chicken. Is the same sauce I prepare for the shrimp. Okay, so here I have my Jamaican Hardough bread and I'm just gonna add my shrimp to that, and then I'm gonna put some of my spicy jerk sauce on top along with some lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, and then my jerk shrimp sandwich will be ready. Here you go, guys. My jerk shrimp sandwich is ready. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man.
The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. I just start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment.